Hello, welcome to this slow motion video.
I feel like I'm on a cooking show.
Popcorn. So we've got some popcorn. It's the microwave stuff, I hope it works. Do you want to light that bad boy up actually?
Yeah. Isn't that hot looking?
Yeah, it looks hot. So, yay! Do you like cooking shows?
Yeah, I love cooking shows.
First, add the popcorn.
I've always wanted to do this.
Have you?
Yeah.
You've never done it at home?
No. What? It's like half made.
Now we wait. Oh, they're going! They're going!
Oh, see you later. Flippin' heck.
We'll wait for one to leave. There we go! That was good. So we're gonna go for. Let's put one on there.
One.
Get like a buttery one.
You have a battery thing for it?
Yes!
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa! Ah! Get burned here.
And wear gloves.
It hurts.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
Ow! Ow! My face! Ow!
Now that looked cool, but there was one down there that just sort of, even at 100 times slower, just went and went. I reckon we up the frame rate.
Yeah.
Ah! Alright, I'm going to man the camera because it's such a small frame now, but this is at 10,000 frames a second.
Oh! Ah!
Alright,
Ah.
we got it.
Oh! Whoa!